of them have good stuff and everybody likes it.
Handmade, dream catchers.
Yeah, we do that
If you buy the last two, you will get a discount. Last two.
I'm hoping to make at least $65 because we've been selling a lot of soap.
So for example, if you're buying a bracelet that's $5, you're gonna put $5. You can indicate bracelet if you like. I would if I was you. Here's the caveat. This is how you document and keep track of your sales for the day.
I have 560 right now, but I must get one of these. I might get the Play-Doh, which costs $7.
This is real. And so this is, although it's all play, it ends up being a real world experience that they can take on and build and that little mustard seed that they can grow on and really develop into, hopefully, real business owners in the future.
I can customize to my taste. Lead the way, sir.
These kids use their hands and they make products, but then they also use their brains and they make a marketing and comms plan, right? How do we communicate to the world what we've done? How do we convince people that it's worth buying?
You kind of have to have like confidence for you to be able to sell stuff to people, you know? You gotta be friendly.
What makes your squishy so good?
Because like they leave you very much stress-free. Once you squish them, you be like, how much is it?
Want to play basketball? Can I see your card?
So no matter what their idea is, I hope they leave with the enthusiasm that anything can be something. I think they leave with the knowledge that I'm just a kid, but I can do really cool things.